students. I'm your maths teacher, Mrs. Rama Faraz. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our new chapter 4, topic addition. Add the following. We will do question number 1. Here is ones and tens. We will add 5 plus 2. I draw some lines for you and we will add these lines all together. First we will add 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? It's number 6 and then number 7. So answer will be 5 and 5 add 2, then answer will be number 7. Well done class. Now we will add tens. We will add 2 tens and 1 tens. Answer will be number 3. So what is the answer? 37. Well done. Now we will do question number 2. Ones and tens. 6 plus 3. What will be the answer? The answer will be 9. So we will write here number 9. Now we will add tens. 4 plus 2. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 6. So complete answer is 69. Well done. Now students, you have to do question number 3 and question number 4 from page 40. From page 40 with the help of your mother. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good morning students. Again I am here to teach you new topic from chapter 4, adding 3 two-digit numbers. Here ones, tens and hundreds. So we will add only ones and tens. We will add 1 plus 1 and then plus 5. So what will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be 7. So we will write here number 7. Well done. Okay, now we will add tens. 4 plus 2 and answer will be 6. And then 6 add 2, then answer will be 8. Very good. So we will write here 8. So the answer is 87. Students, we will do question number 2 now. First we will add ones. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. Then 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 2 we will write here and 1 will carry over here. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and then 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So answer will be 7. And now answer is 72. Now my dear students, you have to do question number 3 and question number 4 from page 41 on your own or with the help of your mother. Thank you and God bless you. Good morning my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and you have done your homework. Now we will do question number 5 from page number 41. Let's start question number 5. We will add ones. 9 add 9 plus 3. Answer will be 12 and then we will add 12 plus 1. Then answer will be 13. We will write 3 here and 1 will carry over here. And now we will add tens. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and then 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So the answer is 93. Good morning my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and you have done your previous homework. Today we will do addition by solving word problems from page 43. Now we will do question number 1. Let's read the statement. There are 48 coins in one money bank and 34 coins in the other money bank. How many coins are there in both the money banks? Solution. Number of coins in one money bank, 48. How many coins are there in one money bank? There are 48 coins in one money bank. Very good. Now, number of coins in other money bank, 34. Let's add 1. First we will add ones.